What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We got a lot coming, man. Like, we got so much stuff in storage, man. I wanna do on my channel. I wanna rebuild this bike, man, and I wanna rebuild it, man. I don't know, but I might just do, man. But it run good, man. It run good, and me and my crew, man. Y'all gonna see the crew in a minute. Y'all gonna see the crew in a minute. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that, man. Y'all gonna see the crew. Hopefully we link up today, man. We get a little footage for y'all, man. But basically, man, I'm just updating y'all on, man, what we gonna be doing. So we gonna be doing we gonna be racing, man. Burnouts, whatever, man. The party, just having fun, living life, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna see a lot, man. There's a lot coming. You know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna see this bike for a while, man. So just stay tuned. I might rebuild it, so it might. Y'all see how it look now. It might look way different. Look how it look. Yeah, but yeah. Just subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all will see what we got coming, man. Y'all support me, man. I support y'all. Hey, let's turn up, man. We trying to turn up, man. All summer, all winter. It don't matter, man. Look, subscribe to the channel, like all the videos, man. It's just the beginning, man. I just started, man. Don't mind this. Hey, don't mind this, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking rough right now, but hey, I don't even care, man. I'm trying to get these videos out the way for y'all. And man, we got a lot coming, man. The whole crew, man. We like 5 deep, probably more than that, for real. So subscribe to the channel, man. Turn post notifications on. I need a new a pipe, man. Pretty old, man. Thinking about just scraping all the old rust off and just paint it black. That's what I might do. I was thinking about just painting it black, painting over it, and yeah, just do that. But I might just go and get a new exhaust, man. Get a new sound. I got a little couple touches I need to do to it though. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna speak on it right now, but y'all see it in the next videos or whenever I do that, man. You know what I'm saying? So just stay tuned, man. You know what I'm saying? So right now, man, I'm trying to see if me and the crew gonna link up. So if they do end up linking up, man, that'll be some good footage, man. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna let y'all know if they do come, or if they don't, then we gonna still put some footage out there for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? So just stay tuned, man. What's up, y'all, man? We back. Same video, just a different day. Man. Me and the crew, we did end up linking up, y'all. We ended up linking up and we was riding. We rode all the way to the park. You know what I'm saying? We was just having fun and doing donuts, all type of stuff, man. We couldn't get no. I gotta get a GoPro. I have to get a GoPro, man, so I can put on my helmet, man, so y'all can see us riding. I record on my phone, so I can't hold my phone and ride at the same time. So we couldn't get no footage, man. But hopefully we have some footage for y'all next time, man. Cause that would have been some good footage, man. But yeah, man, we're gonna try to get a GoPro for y'all, and so y'all can see us riding, man. How we ride, man. So today, man, we just gonna be riding, cruising around. Let y'all check out the bike. See how y'all like it. You know Let me crank it up for y'all one time. She sound good, don't she? Yeah, she sound good. I gotta do a little more work to it though, but she sound good though, man. She sound good, man. Good, she running good. She didn't even, man. I just got her started. Like, y'all don't know the story, man. I couldn't even vlog that. I wish I could have, man. That would have been some dope videos, man. Working on this bike and getting started, man. But all y'all gotta do is subscribe to the channel. Y'all gonna see a lot more. Y'all gonna see a lot, way more. It's a lot coming, man. So just stay tuned. Stay tuned, man. And subscribe to the gang. You know what I'm saying? The rest of the crew, man, they gonna make a channel. So I'm gonna be updating y'all on that. I'm trying to get them to make their channel so that we all can be, you know what I'm saying, grinding, working with each other, man, building each other up. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, it's all fun with me, man. All fun and positive vibes, man. Like, for real. Like, I don't be on all that bullshit, man. For real, man. So y'all on the ride, man. Y'all see me, y'all on the ride or whatever, man. Hit me up, man. We can ride, we can link up, you know. Been a couple corners, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Let me know how y'all feel about the bike, man. Let me know what y'all think about it. What updates I should do on it, or what I should add to it. Oh, this whole frame, y'all, this ain't gonna be on here. I'm rebuilding this whole bike. It's gonna have no new frame on it. You're gonna have I want a different frame, you know what I'm saying? I like it though. I want something different, you know what I'm saying? I might go with all black. Let me know what y'all think. Just let me know what y'all think, cause I might can paint it all black, start fresh from all black, and then I want to go with black and orange or black and red. For right now, man, we running how it is, man. Just breaking her in, you know. She been sitting for so long. That's what we doing right now. I'm gonna hit y'all up later, man.
nigga clear the smoke, I'm 6 top biggest dog. With the cash, I'm knocking them off, and these bullets, I'm letting them off. I'm tired of hearing these niggas talk. Block the swerve, make sure you don't talk. Or I might just do it myself. I'm rapping, but I still show you I'm bout. This Glock is fresh, I go pick you a call. I thought that you bought it with all that mouth. I got nothing but top shotters on me. They told me to keep rapping, I'd go zip that boy for free.